If you want to fix overheating issue on your Samsung Galaxy A56, so first of all, we have to open up our settings. Now locate your connections, turn off your Wi-Fi, turn off your Bluetooth, turn off your NFC and contactless payments, swipe down from the top right corner of your screen and turn off your location. Right, if you're not using this option, simply turn them off, and this will reduce the load on our processor, which actually the load on our processor, this is the thing which causes an overheating. Also, if you're wearing a phone case, consider taking it off for some time, because sometimes cases may cause that problem as well. Here in our connections tab, let's find our more connection settings, and here let's turn off our nearby device scanning, because this option gives a lot of pressure on our phone as well. Now let's go back to our settings and let's check our software update. Press download and install, and if you have any updates pending, make sure to install them, because if your phone has an up-to-date software, it means that it will work correctly, most likely, of course. Also, let's open up our About Phone tab, our software information, and locate your build number. Now let's tap 7 times on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Enter your current PIN. Give the permission to allow developer settings. Go back, open up your developer options, and in our developer options, let's locate our background limit process. So let's use a search bar, why not? Background process limit. Tap here and press no background processes, most background processes, or something. So I'll choose no background processes, and this will limit everything. Also, however, this will make our phone kind of unworkable, so let's keep at most 2 processes, because why not? And also, keep in your mind to have your brightness on the adjustable levels, so if you don't need it that bright, lower it down, right? So just make it comfortable to your eyes, and keep in mind that brightness may put some kind of sustain to your processor as well. So also here are some tips. Once in a year, bring your phone to the service in order to clean it off out of dust and debris, which can cause some kind of overheating as well. And also don't use it while you are charging, because this is a major reason for overheating. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.